lovelies, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you my few basic and necessary equipments for workout, which will not only make your workout effective but also you will see that more calories will burn in just less time. So let's begin. First basic equipment is this skipping rope. I just got it in a very reasonable price from Daraz, and I will also show you the screenshot and price in this video. And the more effective thing about this is that whenever you do the skipping rope, it's a kind of cardio exercise. More calories will burn, and you can see the noticeable difference by doing a set of 100. And if you want more calories to burn, you can do the set of 2 sets of 100. My next equipment is this elastic rope with the handles. So and it's very great for your arm workout and for your leg workout. So what you need to do, you have to put your leg and you can pull it with the help of your arms, and in this way your arm workout will be done and you can do the leg workout as well. And I will show you the pictures of workout so you can do the workout with the help of this elastic band. Okay, my next equipment is this kettlebell, and I bought this in 4 kg, and girls can easily carry the weight of around 6 kgs. So don't worry, you can easily manage this. And as studies and research shows that whenever you add some weight, your more calories will burn and your muscles will involve more. If muscles are involved more, the more calories will burn and your muscles will tune well in less time. So I will also show you the pictures with what exercise you can do with the kettlebell. It is quite effective for your arm tuning and leg tuning as well. It's a bit expensive equipment out of all these equipment, so you have to invest this in, like it will be around 3,000 or 3,500. So if you want to invest in kettlebell, you have to decide some month and you have to keep some money for this, but it will be great and very helpful in your weight loss journey. Turn for my fourth equipment, which is these basic dumbbells. So dumbbells are very necessary. My dumbbells are of 3 kgs, so you can go for 1.5 or 1 kg, which will be easy to handle. You just need to add these, or you have to carry these dumbbells while doing squats or lunges, and you will see when the weight is added, you have to put more energy and your muscles will involve, and that will help you to tune your muscle in less time. And you have to do a few sets in this way. Like for lunges, you can do a set of 10, then take a break, and then again put these dumbbells on both your hands and do the lunges again. And the next is that it is also great to tone your arm muscles. So you can do the arms workout, and I will show you a few pictures like which exercise you can do with these dumbbells. And so a different range of dumbbells are also available on Daraz website, so you can choose according to your requirements. But you have to keep this in mind. You have to see the reviews in which product the more stars are given. You have to choose that one because that will be more genuine or more real. My next basic equipment is this yoga mat or exercise mat. You can call them anything you want. But first I used to have a very thin yoga mat. But what happened with that mat, that I used to have pain in my elbows or knees whenever it touched, because it was not very thick. So it is quite thick, and it is from Apollo, and they are selling it in quite reasonable price. So you can see its thickness. It is quite thick and quite supportive and soft. So whenever I do exercise on this yoga mat, I don't feel any pain in my elbows and knees. Like whenever I used to do the lunges or squats, what happened that whenever I touch my knees on floor, it hurts a lot. So whenever I used to do them in this yoga mat, it was quite supportive, so I don't feel that much pain now. I will also tell its price in description box and in my video also, that you can, and how much price you can buy this. And it was quite stylish, like you can see that it looked like this, and on the other side it has these orange like you can hang them on your wall, or if there was 2 nails, you can hang them hang this yoga mat as well. So whenever you want to do any scrunches or any other exercise. My last and final equipment is this set of resistance band. It is also from Apollo. You can call this a loop bands or resistance band, anything you want. What happened in this brand, like your resistance bands are made up of kind of a great material and it will not break easily. So what I used to do, I have bought a resistance from other company, but when I put a more pressure to it, or I just stretch it more, it break down. So then I bought this Apollo set of Apollo bands, and it was only for 600 rupees, and it was quite reliable and authentic. So you can see that it is the most lightest resistance band. Like it has a 3 category. It is the most lightest. Then you can see that it is a medium resistance band. Like whenever you wear this, you will feel the medium stretch, like it will add a medium resistance to your workout. And at the end I have this resistance band, which was a high resistance band. Like it will add the most highest resistance to your workout. Like whenever you add these resistance band or wear them in your legs workout will feel a great resistance. Like you will feel the resistance, so your more energy your more energies and calories will burn whenever you use to do the leg workout. So these are quite effective for legs workout, and you will feel the more resistance, and your more calories and more energy will use, and muscles will tool in a less time. I think these are the most essential equipments which you need to have if you want to do the workout at home. These will add the more resistance, and you will get the results of workout like you are doing this in gym. So I have achieved my results by using all these things at home. So you can do your workout at home by buying these basic things. You don't need to buy them at one time. You can buy them accordingly, like which thing you need the most. So hope this video will be helpful, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, and please consider subscription if you find this helpful. Bye.